Okay, good evening. Welcome to
AwesomeMath number 74.
AwesomeMath74. So we're going to write, and sorry, we're filming from a slightly different location today, so I hope this film works out. We're going to write 1/3 in binary.
Yep.
Okay. Can you write, what does 1/3 equal in base 10?
Well, it's 0.33333. And the 3's repeat. I hope that's on camera.
Yeah, I'll check in a minute. Okay, so we know what it is in base 10. Now we're going to try to write it in base 2. Okay? So this should be interesting. So what do you think you need to do?
Well, you can write this 1/3. You can write it as how many halves plus some amount of fourths, some amount of eighths, and then you go all the way up the powers of 2.
Okay, great.
Well, you don't use any halves because 1/3 is less than a half.
All right.
So 0, you can use a fourth, and then the result, you have 1/12 left, since this is 4 twelfths minus 3 twelfths is the 1/12.
Okay, so how many 1/4 did I need?
You needed 1.
Okay.
And then you can't use an eighth, but
Why not?
Because an eighth is bigger than a 12th.
Okay, and why is the 1/12 important?
Well, this is 1/3 minus a fourth.
Okay, so when we use the 1/4,
We have 1/12 left over.
yeah, we got to go 1/12 more to get to a third. So an eighth doesn't help us. So what's our next binary digit going to be?
16th.
Okay.
Looks like we can use this.
All right.
We get 1/12 minus 1/16. Well, the common denominator, I think I'm not sure if there is, but I think there is a common denominator.
Oh yeah, yeah. What is that common denominator?
Well, the bottom is 3 times 4, and then this is 4 times 4.
Okay.
So you have to multiply by 3 over 3 to get, you need a 3 on the bottom.
Okay.
So 3 over 3, that's well, that would be, you have to multiply this 16 by 3 to get the common denominator.
Okay. So what is 16 times 3?
It would be 48.
Okay.
So this is 3/48, and then this is, it's 4/48 minus 3/48, so you get 1/48.
Okay.
And then
So once you use your 1/16,
you can't use a
now you have to go
1/32.
1/48 more.
So you can't use a 1/32, but you can use a 1/64, and that it looks like the pattern repeats 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1.
Okay. So write down what you think 1/3 equals in binary.
Well, 1/3 looks like I can squeeze it in. 1/3 in binary is 0.01010101.
Very interesting. So it looks like 1/3 in binary, we just figured out, is 0.01010101 repeating forever.
Yeah.
Interesting. What would 2/3 be if that was the case? How do I multiply by 2 in binary?
You shift the digit over.
Okay, so 2/3
Would
in
be
binary would be equal to what?
0.10101010.
Okay, and what is 1/3 plus 2/3?
It should be equal to 1.
And what does it equal when I add all this number plus this number in binary?
You get the 1. You get 0.1111111111.
Huh.
Maybe that's 1 in binary.
What do you think?
Well, it's 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1/16. So, and that eventually equals 1.
How about that? Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Sweetie Pie. Good job.